EcoSolution's waste-to-energy facilities are community-scale installations that process waste close to where it's generated, reducing the traffic, pollution, and carbon impacts of transporting waste. The eco-waste plants are compact, low-profile facilities that blend into the landscape. As waste trucks arrive and depart, they pass over a weigh scale. This information is automatically recorded and transmitted. Trucks deposit waste directly inside the building, protecting waste from the weather and avoiding rainwater runoff and odors from escaping the building. The eco-waste-to-energy technology is available with multiple identical processing lines. Multiple lines give the most flexibility for operating and increase uptime by allowing individual lines to be taken offline for maintenance while allowing the operation to continue. Waste is processed without special pre-treatment. The crane operator visually inspects the waste coming into the receiving area and mixes it thoroughly before dropping it onto the tipping floor. The loader driver scoops up piles of waste from the tipping floor and deposits it into the loading hopper located at the front of each waste conversion chamber. The loading takes place at regular timed intervals with input from the control room. The waste in the hopper is pushed into the converter using a hydraulic ram that is interlocked with the airtight isolation door. In the self-fueling process, waste volume is reduced by over 90% on the stepped hearth floor. Dynamically controlled in real time, waste is thoroughly and completely converted within a few hours of being loaded. The stepped hearth has many advantages compared to traditional grate technologies, including a lower capital cost. Each stepped hearth is supplied with recirculated flue gas, which maximizes the energy recovery and dramatically lowers emissions. Non-hazardous bottom ash and recyclable metals from each chamber are deposited into the conveyor system, where it is collected for disposal. To maximize material recovery, ash can be beneficially reused or repurposed. Gases are fully consumed in the secondary chamber using ideal time, temperature, and turbulent conditions to produce lowest possible emissions. Heated flue gases are recirculated, lowering the temperature and protecting the heat recovery equipment, which dramatically lowers maintenance costs. Throughout the process, energy is captured using a heat recovery steam generator. Water inside the steel tubes is converted into steam for district heating or industrial uses. The cooled water vapor is condensed back into water and reused, creating a virtually closed system. If the plant is designed to generate electrical power, then the steam is superheated before it is sent to a steam turbine generator. The facility is then self-powering, with the remainder exported to the local energy grid. Emission controls are customized for every project. Typically, a chemical reagent is used to neutralize acid gases, and activated carbon eliminates mercury and dioxins. After the reaction, dust and reagents are collected downstream in a bag house, which captures particles at the sub-micron level. The fly ash collected represents less than 3% of the waste processed. All emissions are controlled to well below regulatory limits. Eco-waste conversion systems are highly automated to minimize labor costs and optimize operations. Using a range of inputs, the system can constantly and rapidly adapt to the changing conditions of the waste-to-energy process. These community-scale plants support the local economy by providing a more sustainable solution for up to 165,000 tons of waste per year and generate enough electricity to power over 12,000 homes. Contact the experts at EcoSolutions to learn more.